So I'm just testing things out right now. I don't have the drill bit on here yet. Just kind of going through the motion. And I think I might be able to get my hand in there. I don't know if I can or not. I was hoping to get my hand in there too with the bit. You know, no, I don't know. There, like that. See, then I can kind of help push the back side forward a little bit, you know, like that. That way when I hit the stud, I can pull back a little bit and then ram the tip of the bit in there, and then I think I'll be able to get my hand out of there. But you know, not where I cut that. I'm going to have to cut the backside of the sheetrock up higher so I can get my hand out of there. Glad I did that little test. I made a notch up high right there. Yeah, see, I think I'll be able to do that better. Yeah. Push that back. And then drill it. I think that's going to work good. Yeah. Okay. Let me try the shorter one and see what would have happened had I have used that. See, I'm just now hitting it and I wouldn't have enough room to get my drill on there. Plus, I can't really flex that, can I? So that's another good reason why I'm going to use this long one so I can get it in there and flex it and bend it out a little bit. Boy, I think I'm going to like this. I think it's going to go good.